Hello, welcome to VM Micro Solutions. VM Micro Solutions has developed innovative tools and applications which are very helpful in learning machine learning and algorithms. These tools are hosted on zerocodelearning.com where a learner can come here, give his email ID as a login password, and he gets into the platform. This platform, the tools are hosted on the cloud in a highly secure environment. Now the learner will come to his particular class. As you can see, there are tools which are available for exploring data, doing statistical analysis, making prediction using regression techniques, classification using logit, decision tree, random forest for any market segmentation or any data dimensionality reduction. We have factor analysis. So practically we have all those tools which are useful in analyzing the data, the text, as well as making predictions. So I am going to demonstrate to you one particular tool which is using a regression technique for making predictions. So as you can see, the user can come log in onto the website, launch that specific tool of his interest. Now, assuming user is looking to use regression for prediction, we say we pick up a health insurance data, and in this health insurance data, once the data is successfully uploaded, you will see the variables in the data. The best practice is to look at the data summary. What are the different variables in this data set? Age of the insured person, the gender, the BMI, number of children, smoker, region, and so on and so forth, and what is the premium cost. As you can see, this particular task of looking into the data requires someone to do the Python code. But in this case, we don't have to write any code, and a learner, whether it is from corporate learning center or from educational institutions like engineering or business education, he can simply start using this to learn the machine learning techniques. Now, once we upload the data, I'm just going to take it further how he will make use of it for learning purpose. Now, in this particular context, the learner is looking to make a prediction what would be the health insurance amount for an individual person. So for this, there is a data which is a historical data. As you can see, it is of 1338 different users. This data will be used to train the model. Now, once the model is trained, then we can make a prediction using any new data for a new person. So to begin with, we will load the data. Since we are looking to make a prediction about the premium cost, this will be my y variable. And the x variable are the one which are going to affect or influence my premium cost. So certainly age of the person affects the gender, the BMI, how many children, uh, and whether a smoker or not a smoker, and which region. Now the region may or may not be immediately of interest, so I can deselect region, and now I am ready to build my model using these many x variables, input variables rather. Once I am okay with this, I will select the variable, click apply change, and now my model is getting built at the cloud. Once the model is built, we see the model output, which very well can be used to interpret the relationship between variables x and y variable. For example, how does age influence the premium cost? We can see using this particular coefficient. Similarly, for the gender, BMI, these are the coefficients. So these are the standard output which a machine learning model will give out, and the learner can learn to interpret and make a business translation of these mathematical numbers. It saves the time of the learner significantly. At the same time, he doesn't have to worry about setting up the coding environment and learn Python for doing any kind of ML techniques. So this is the innovation which VM Micro has come out with, and distributing these licenses to various education institutes and all those working professionals who are looking to learn. So these are good tools for the learning purpose, and that's where the entire focus is. All right. So thank you very much, and look forward to hear anything more if you would like to know about it. Thank you.